Clean auto check report, excellent condition, Ford Sync package, keyless entry and more, and full safety inspection check. Economy Smart, real gas zipper. Don't miss this double bargain of saving at the dealership and at the pump. Your time is almost up on this superb 2011 Ford Fiesta. You'll love how great it is on gas. So hurry in, because that makes this a popular vehicle. Designated by Consumer Guide as a 2011 subcompact car best buy. New car test drive set it. Engine will take the daily commute in stride. Ride is smooth. Wind and road noise is decently muted. Steering feel is certain. Corners taken at responsible speeds reveal little body room. This means it'll also handle quite well a relaxed Sunday drive to the coast or to a family gathering. Plaza Ford, where you make the deal.